Good afternoon, everyone. This is Aaron. This is like the third video I've done because I'm trying to cut down on time. Last video was 13 minutes long. I'm going to try to trim this thing down a little bit. I chose Prezi, a Web 2.0 app slash website, um, to show you that hopefully you'll find some information that'll be useful in your classroom environment. One of the main reasons why I chose Prezi, other than Edmodo, Edmodo obviously is my top choice of all. But Prezi, I just felt like I wanted to give something more than the obvious. So Prezi to me is like a souped up version of PowerPoint that the students actually enjoy more in general, from what I've seen, than the PowerPoints of yesteryear. So keeping that in mind, I do understand. I'm gonna give the shout out to Microsoft and let the folks know that I understand that PowerPoint has a lot more intuitive features now, many more options to make their slideshow presentations much more appealing. But with that being said, Prezi, again, when we're talking about Web 2.0 sites, unless you're talking about Office 365, it technically is a product or software that's on your computer, so that kind of negates it from the list of possible Web 2.0 solutions. So with that being said, Prezi is my top dog on this, and I'm going to show you why. First of all, if you don't have a Prezi, you want to sign up. Again, I'm going to crash course this, so if you want to come back at a later time and look at it, you can. Choose public. It's $0 a month. It's free, and that's how I've done it. 100 megabyte of storage. I've never ran out of storage space, and I have dozens and dozens of Prezis I've created. Once you've signed up, obviously you'll be logging in. Um, the biggest feature of Prezi that I have found this year alone is the addition. You have your navigation pane at the top. Is the addition of the Explore button. You can search for all kinds of things here. Okay. You've got today's 15 most popular Prezis. One of them, ironically, is Public Speaking 101. So all kinds of cool things here. You can choose Accounting 101. Just to show you, on these, if you look, if they have what we call reusable, you'll see, I need to get rid of that. This one's reusable. See right down here where it shows it reusable, recycle symbol, reusable. All of these pretty much are reusable. Sometimes you'll have them where they don't have that in the bottom right hand corner, and that's okay. Let's go ahead and do culinary 101. You can do construction 101. You can do video broadcasting 101. You're going to find information on all kinds of things. Okay, so here's a good example, one that's not reusable. It doesn't have the reusable. This one does. Okay, gives you a little information, but there's 619 culinary Prezis. Some of them aren't. If you look right here, College 101 B&O, they probably use an algorithm for the search and thought you maybe misspelled the word college. Okay, so with that in mind, let's go to New Prezi, and I'm going to show you another awesome feature of Prezi, and then the second best feature of this site, other than the Explorer, is the actual templates. Okay, they have pre-generated templates that have already been created for you, and let's just go to tactics here. Let's just do one real quick. You just click the template you want to use and click Use Template. When it loads, first frame is your obviously welcome frame, or frame 1 on those of you that are familiar with PowerPoint. Prezi 101. Okay, and then you go to frame 2, and this is your other frame. I like to always use examples of welcome to my classroom. You can always move this slider. Real simple stuff here. Let's say it's still outside the box. You can make it a little bit smaller right here and move it as you want. There's grid lines, if you notice. If you want to do it like that, where your bullets and everything in the frame is feng shui, then you can. Okay, just use a little example of some bullets here. I know it's words that you don't understand, but I just wanted to just give you a little tidbit of information. Let's say you want to add or insert an image. You have two ways to do this. You can select a file from your computer. Okay, and I kind of prepped this a little bit, so let's do culinary. And when it comes up, you just minimize it, move it right here, this in the background. If any of the boxes you want to get rid of, you just select them, right, and then you can hit delete right there, and that gets rid of them. Okay, but you can also do a Google search. Let's do culinary arts. Oops, I think I messed up. All right, and then you choose from here. So let's go ahead and do the culinary right here, and it's processing. And again, you can make it resize it however you want and put that one right there. Let's say you want to add a video though. Okay, so in here, I always like to keep it good. I have a culinary 101 video that I copied already, or that I found on YouTube. Copy. Go back to your Prezi. Go to insert and look, YouTube video. All you got to do is paste your link and insert. Put it wherever you want and you're good to go. So this shows you a couple of cool little features with Prezi that you can use. Again, you can insert background music, voiceover paths between slides. Like Fushroda, which some of you probably don't even know what that is. But anyways, you can import files like PDFs or videos from your computer or your collection from Prezi as well. So hopefully this gives you just a little bit of information so that you understand the nuances and the cool little things that Prezi can do for you to help you enhance your classroom just a little bit more and help your kids be a little bit more engaged to where maybe they'll learn that one little aspect they need to learn for pathway completion, or whatever else they've got, like a final or a test at the end of the week. I can tell you most of the kids in my class, students with 504s or IEPs, they literally are still passing my class, I want to say, because of my Prezis. So it engages them just enough for them to retain that information, however it's doing it, and it's working. So hopefully this is good. A bit of information for you that you can find useful on a good Web 2.0 tool. Thank you for watching.